How to disable developer options on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable developer options on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as additional settings. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, if you scroll down and then here you'll see the option labeled as developer options. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, to disable developer options, you just have to toggle off the option just beside the developer options. And once you do that, the developer options will be turned off, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.